Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ivonne, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a mini makeup declutter and jewelry declutter just because in the past month I've realized that there's some makeup stuff that I just don't use at all. Like, I literally kept the things that I used in a little bag for a while, and I would do my makeup in a room, and that made me realize like I have some things I need to get rid of because they're just going to stay there because I'm going to tell myself, oh no, I could use it, and I know I'm not going to use it, so I need to get rid of that stuff. And then I did buy a cute little jewelry that was on clearance from Target, and I opened my jewelry drawer and I'm just like, you know what, I need to clean it. There's like some old, tarnished, nasty looking stuff in there that needs to go. Things that I just don't wear, and I keep lying to myself, telling myself I'm going to wear it, but I'm not. So we're going to do that today, and I'm going to try to make it quick because I know I can make videos pretty long because I talk a lot, and half the time I make no sense. So I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna bring you guys in closer and start digging through my jewelry, not my jewelry, through my makeup first and then my jewelry. Okay, all right. In this big drawer, I know I'm getting rid of this. I don't use it. It's a powder that just came out from Beauty Blender, and it's the wrong shade. But that was my fault because when Influencer asked me to pick it out, I picked the wrong shade. This foundation, you guys have seen me talk about it. I don't like it. This little powder, I have not used it actually at all. I always go with this. So this is my trusty powder. This, I'm out. I think I'm out of this. Yeah, pretty much I'm out of that. So that has to go. This, I have not used it in a while. It needs to go. This needs to go to the bathroom. Okay. I use these. I use this. This, I haven't used it, but I am gonna empty it out and use the compact in my purse. I use this. Oh shit. Okay. I really don't use this, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. Okay, in here I'm getting rid of these Anastasia Beverly Hills lipsticks. These are like 2-3, actually more than 3 years old. It's time to get rid of those. Keeping this. I use all these in here. Don't use this. This is Huda Beauty. Don't use that. These are extremely old. I think, yeah, this one's even changing color. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but it's changing color. These are extremely old. I do use these. These are really good. This one's good. I use this concealer. I use this a lot. I have not used this concealer in like over a month, and it's time to throw it out. This, I do love this. This is really good. And then this lip gloss, I don't use it. It has like little things in it. I don't know what that is, but it looks gross. Time to throw that out. Good lip balm. This I love. This I have not used in a while, and I am running low, so I say it's time to throw it out. Okay, up next is my jewelry drawer, which is right here. So this is what it looks like. I do have some organizers in here, but everything's a mess. I just throw things in there. So I just want to go through it and get rid of everything I don't wear. And just keep the things that I am gonna wear. Like, these are from Madewell. These little earrings, not earrings, these little rings. They all came in a pack. The only thing I don't like is that the color does fade, but that's because I wash my hands when I'm still wearing those. I don't take them off. And this is a baggie where I put the necklace I'm wearing. This is from Simple and Dainty. Her jewelry comes in like these cute little pink packages. I'm gonna keep this for like when I travel. I like to put my jewelry in here. This was a ring that I ordered from Amazon. Cute little sunflower ring for like $7 I think it was. Alright, so before this turns into a jewelry tutorial, tour, whatever you want to call it, I'm gonna clean out my drawer. I have this organizer in here. I have a weird baggie where I had some earrings in there. Little pieces from my watch. Okay, so I have my little trash in here where I'm going to be throwing things in there. I have this necklace. Oh my. See what I mean? This is what I mean. I have everything tangled up. This necklace I have not used. This I got for my graduation, like high school graduation. I never put anything in there, so I need to put something in there. So I'm just going to put this one to the side. I have this like just funny, cute little sunglasses. I'm going to keep those. I have a necklace from Pura Vida. This one's like super cute. I wear this all the time. It has not faded. And on the back it says good vibes. Because you know, it's all about good vibes nowadays. This cute little ring. I'm keeping that. And then this is like a ring I bought from like H&M. It's all tarnished. Oh, and I almost forgot. This is why I need to organize because I forgot I bought this like not that long ago. It's a cute little moon necklace. Like look how adorable that is. And then this one is like a set of 3 layered necklace. And this is why I need to organize it because my stuff keeps getting tangled. Okay, pineapple ring. I love it. This is garbage. Things my mom gives me. This one's all tangled. This is like a necklace from like Forever 21. Garbage. See what I mean? Like cheap necklaces just tend to tarnish. And then a cute little necklace that I think I need to get like a necklace organizer so I can get rid of these boxes. But this is a little cute necklace I have. I just bought these today, so I probably won't need the packaging. I got these on sale for like $2.39. And then I bought this necklace. On sale too for $7.49, and look how adorable it is. It's like super cute, and it's got like this like cute little details. I feel like this would go with anything because it's black, but also I feel like you just have to be really careful wearing this because I think it will tarnish eventually, because usually that's what happens with cheap necklaces. So I'll just put that there. Adorable chunky earrings, I'm keeping those. I'm just gonna put them right here. These I don't wear whatsoever. I got these in Mexico a while back. Haven't worn them. I think I might just donate them. I bought these from a small business, Clay by Nea, and she makes these super cute clay necklaces, like super adorable. And so I'm keeping those because I still use these. They're super lightweight, super comfortable. I'm gonna put them up here. I'm back. I try to clean these the best I can, but I feel like I need to take the vacuum to this one to like clean it really good. So since this one has these long, narrow little compartments, I'm going to put my necklaces in there, and hopefully that keeps them from getting tangled. I'm going to just go like this because every time I try to grab a necklace in the morning, they're always tangled. So I need to get into the habit of actually putting my necklaces where they go. So to give you guys a close-up, this is what my jewelry drawer looks like now. I did put all my necklaces in here. I feel like I need something better just because in some of these I ended up putting 2 necklaces and I don't want them to get tangled. Bracelets that I need to organize a little bit better, but in my opinion it looks a lot more organized than what I did before. And then some of my jewelry boxes that I'm keeping just in case some of these necklaces get tangled. I have somewhere to put them. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I feel like I got rid of like a lot of like nasty stuff because there's like just garbage there, and yeah, so that was it. Alright guys, so that was everything for today's video. Like I said, it was going to be a makeup declutter and jewelry declutter. I felt like I got rid of quite a bit of makeup. Like these were like super old. Like which one was it? This, I think it was the shade Buff. No, this one, that was the shade Rouge. I've had this one since like 2017. So, and I know that because this is a lipstick I wore when I graduated college. So yeah, I have, it's old, it needs to go out. And the other shade is Buff and Dead Roses. These are beautiful shades, but I don't wear them anymore, so there's no point in keeping them, although I do like the packaging, I'll say that. These Kylie matte lipsticks that I've had for ages, I don't wear them anymore, so they need to go out. One of them is changing color. These old lipstick liners, same thing with the Kylie Lip Liners. This one's really old, needs to go out. Something I don't even use. Haven't used this in a long time. There's like random little things in there, which is gross. Haven't used this in over a month. So it's just time to part ways with it. Same thing with this Carmex lip balm. Haven't used it in such a long time, and it needs to just go out. And then over here I have like just a random like things I don't use. Like this is such a good powder, like it's really fine and it works really good. The only thing is that it's not my shade. Don't like the foundation stuff. I don't use stuff that is just empty. Jewelry I don't even need, don't use, so there's no point in keeping it. But yeah, so I hope this video kind of inspires you to go into your jewelry drawer, your makeup drawer, whatever it is, and declutter it. Get rid of all that old stuff that you keep telling yourself you're going to use, but you know deep down inside you're not going to use it, but you just can't part ways with it. So this is your little announcement, your little reminder. Please get rid of all that old stuff. And with that being said, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join my little YouTube familia, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.